I wasn't too much time, but turns out I wanted to get down to visit this station. Decision did have a decision booth. I got 153 at home.
Yeah, they're nice little Hornby ones, aren't they?
Yeah. Is that sound or just normal privilege?
Yeah, it's got sound on it, yeah.
Oh, right. Where'd you get one of them from? Where'd you get that one from? Was it from Ford or was it from...
It's a house chip on that.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So different terms like the sort of detail.
No. Really looks like that's about it, yeah. That comes with it. Yeah.
But this station was here, but it closed a long time ago then. Fair enough. But how you control the horns? You just control it by the button?
Yeah, it's just a button on here.
That's pretty cool. Can you do another one? Thank you, mate. Ha! Thanks. Just
My 159. Well, you wouldn't know that sometimes. I do the Star Wars.
Well, that is something, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, this is also a bit of a whistle. Just want to see how it worked, that's all.
Oh, no.
On the way back to the Melan road, but there was all problems with the system.
It's a good thing this place is great to listen, isn't it? What I'm doing more just do some snapping first, then I'm going to do some more snapping later.
Absolutely.
And then I'm going to do some... That's why I'm doing this now.
If people are on board, I can't be played with the favour of the distance.
It's a bit ultra, isn't it?
It's not strict procedure. I mean, it's great. It's good fun. Especially if you've got something video from bridge.
This is a new tab, but not anymore now. It's all part of the Cornish Railways.
Now my other trying to play ones, I'm going to try the big one. There's a Walnut show. How many guys will you come with? Yes, 6 tonight. About 6 on me. Then the Bournemouth show earlier on this year, I've got
47843. This 47483 was version, wasn't it?
yeah.
Is that now owned by West Coast Railways now?
I don't know, mate. I don't honestly know.
I just want to know because I'm trying to
That
follow.
was 843. I'm not up to date with the.
You're not up to date with those. You know which ones I like? Is those 37s.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because you know I like them? Because I like them when they trash a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Do you like them when they trash a lot?
Yeah.
Did went on once with them in hands.
Oh, yeah.
When Nelson failed. It failed at the Midstead.
Oh, okay.
So the policeman had to come and rescue us, and it's normally Weybridge normally fails. You know 34007 Weybridge?
Yeah, yeah.
I just decided to join my day on a class 37, just to remember one of those 37s. And you know which station I finished at on that day when it was supposed to be Nelson there? It was I finished at the Minhansler. I decided to finish on 37. So just to remember it by, which is fair enough, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So they used to have a station here, but not anymore now, isn't it?
Yeah. Many years ago.
Fair enough.
It didn't actually have a station. It was just a siding, mate.
Was it a siding? Was it? Oh, okay. Well, what was the platform for anyway? Was it for?
Well, no, that's just something that we've added to sort of like to make it a bit more interesting.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Where did it close down then?
Because they dug, the pit got bigger and bigger and bigger. The China Clay Works.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
So this was all part of China Clays at the time then? Fair enough. So this place called Goose Thingamajig was all part of the China Clays. Have you got that, viewers? Let me get a face. Oh, derailment. Fair enough.